We're so excited, and you should be too, because today we're going to tour at the new Amazon Fresh in Corona, California, and we want you to come with us, and it's going to be an awesome day. Let's go. Hi, this is Denise from Vivid Lifestyle Realty, your go-to source for all things real estate and lifestyle in beautiful Corona, California and the surrounding areas. And today we are going to take you on a tour of the new Amazon Fresh that's opening. It's opening in Bedford Marketplace, which if you go back on our channel, we have a whole bunch of, from the time they broke ground to everything it has to offer now. And we also have tours of the whole Bedford community, which is really amazing as well. They're still building and finishing up the last couple legs of the entire community. And what a thrill that Amazon took a long time, but they actually opened, and we're so excited to go tour it with you. They're handing out bags and bananas and coffee, and there's games, and you can win prizes, and the first 100 people win a $100 Amazon gift card. And then they have returns, they have drop-offs, pickups, everything. You can shop normal, you can use their digital cart system, and you can do self-checkout or have them check out. It's just got so much. We're so excited to take you on this journey. So let's go check it out. So I hope you guys loved going on this adventure, this Amazon adventure with us. And they gave out, you think, oh, it's a grocery store, not a lot of people will be waiting. There was it was wrapped around the entire building. They gave out bags, woohoo! And it even says Corona on there somewhere, right here. Oh, that's cool that they, branded it to our store. And then they there's games we played. We got dish towels and stuffed bananas and real bananas and coffee. They just had it all. They had live music. They had a DJ. And then we did my first shopping experience with the scan and go cart. And it was cool. I will tell you, it is heavy to maneuver around. And like you see, they gave me 2 bags. Well, that was nice because I needed about 12. But anyway, you can just put things after you scan them, put them in your cart. You don't have to be a bag. You can bag them later or ask for bags. You can also shop normally with just a regular cart and go have them check you out. They also have self-check. They have where you can pick up your items from Amazon or do returns. It was just fun. They have a whole salad bar, cold salad bar area, a hot salad bar area with soups and stuff. And it was just amazing in there. Some of their prices can be a little bit high. Some were right on with like Target and, you know, less than Vons or Albertsons and Stater Brothers, and some were so ridiculously cheap. Like Ben & Jerry's pints are usually like $4.99, $5.99, $6.99. They came out with all the discounts $3. So, and they have non-dairy versions and regular. So overall, it's about average to, some things are a little more, some things are way less. So if you get good deals and you have a Prime membership, it's really easy. I just walked out the door, they took the coupons and everything, and it charged me. So I just recommend making sure that you know what's in your cart. It's very clear. Sometimes if you're bending over to put something, it scans again. So you just take it out. So it's just a learning curve, but they have many different ways you can shop. They have a fresh bakery. They have pizzas that are like $10 for these giant pizzas that you take and bake, or they have ones that you can buy in the store that are already made. And so really they're looking to getting some vegan options added, but as far as overall for any type, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, just every day, it was such good value for what you got. And the deals that they're having this week are amazing since it's their grand opening. But yeah, so it's amazing, and we had so much fun, and it was a learning curve and maneuvering with 3 billion people in there on grand opening. But like I said, it was so much fun, and come on down, shop if you haven't, and if you're moving to the area, what a cool place to have. On top of Stater Brothers and Vons and Albertsons and Target, you've got, and Sam's and Costco, you've got a really cool, trendy place to go shop. And they have, the selection is just, I think they've had things I've never even seen at any other store, even Whole Foods. So just really cool shopping experience, and we're glad you came with us because it was super fun. We've been there since 7:30 in the morning. Woo! And my son and his beautiful wife came with us, and we just had a really fun time filming and shopping and showing you everything it has to offer. So we appreciate you as always. We're so excited. We hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and you can check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Vivid Lifestyle Realty. Check out some other YouTube channels which really go into what Bedford Marketplace has to offer, or Dos Lagos, or the Crossings, or home tours. You know, we've got a little bit of everything for everyone. So if you like this and you found it interesting and fun and exciting, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We'd really appreciate it. And we hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.